talk about a very talked about issue right now, which is climate action. हम सब इस पे बहुत बात कर रहे हैं. Everybody is talking about global warming, glaciers melting, and what not happening around the world. But the problem is that at individual level we are not thinking about it. हमने ये जिम्मेदारी यूनाइटेड नेशंस को छोड़ दिया है. हमने ये जिम्मेदारी हमारे लीडर्स पे छोड़ दिया है that they are doing something because there is COP summit happening where they are giving target to countries कि आपको ये कार्बन फुटप्रिंट इतना टारगेट नीचे लेकर आना है by 2024. Paris Convention happened. Every country has its own target to achieve certain level of carbon footprint which they have to bring down. I hope everybody here understands what is carbon emission. Whenever we are doing any productive activity, चाहे हम इंडस्ट्रीज चलाएं, चाहे हम इंस्टीट्यूशंस चलाएं, चाहे हम हॉस्पिटल्स चलाएं, जब हम ये एक्टिविटी करते हैं, we are somewhere using energy, also somewhere we are wasting it, also somewhere we are burning coal, and all that together contribute to increasing global warming issue. इंडिविजुअल लेवल पर घरों में जब हम लाइट का स्विच ऑन करते हैं, फैन चलाते हैं, टीवी चलाते हैं, कोई अप्लायंसेस चलाते हैं, मोबाइल फोन चार्ज करते हैं, वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग लेवल. बट वी आर एट आवर ओन लेवल्स नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. हम नहीं सोचते. हम सोचते कि द प्रॉब्लम विद एनी सोशल इनिशिएटिव इज दैट वी लीव इट ऑन सम अदर पीपल, ग्रुप ऑफ NGOs, leaders. But the point here that I want to make before all of you sitting here is we have to take the initiative because we have to bring revolution. Any revolution in past, आप इतिहास उठा के देख लीजिए, कोई भी रेवोल्यूशन इजी नहीं आया. रेवोल्यूशन लाने में समय लगता है, रेवोल्यूशन लाने में एनर्जी लगती है, रेवोल्यूशन लाने में टीम लगता है, सोच लगती है. हम इंदौर जैसे शहर में आज बैठे हैं जो स्वच्छता में नंबर 1 है. आप सब अग्री करोगे कि यहां पर ये एक रेवोल्यूशन की तरह आया बिकॉज पूरी जनता ने मिलकर साथ में उसको अपना कल्चर बनाया. हमने इनोवेटिव टूल्स यूज किए, हमने उसके पीछे टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की. उसके बिना इसको अचीव करना पॉसिबल नहीं था. कोई भी दूसरा शहर हमारे से आगे आ ही नहीं पाया. रीजन द रेवोल्यूशन, वी थॉट ऑफ इट. हमने सोचा हमें तो ये लेना है, हमें तो इसको पाना है. वी हैव डन इट एंड वी हैव बीन डूइंग इट 5 times, 6 times in line. So it is just the first step that we have to take. And I strongly believe कि टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन, स्वच्छता में भी टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन ही था पीछे. उसके बिना आप इस रेवोल्यूशन को अचीव नहीं कर सकते हो. और जब हम इनोवेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करते हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन हियर एक बहुत बड़ी आयरनी है. जब कोई टेक्नोलॉजी, कोई इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट या कोई इनोवेशन इंडिया के बाहर से आता है, हम लोग बहुत हैप्पीली कहते हैं वी आर यूजिंग टेक, वी आर यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी बिल्ट बाय XYZ फॉर कंट्री. पर इंडियन टेक्नोलॉजी और इंडियन इनोवेशन को हम बड़ी आसानी से कह देते हैं इसने भाई ने जुगाड़ किया. राइट? So, this is something that I want to talk about today. Way back in 2008, my husband, my life partner, and my partner in business invented a product, and that the idea behind was bringing revolution. I still remember that line that he used, that Priyanka, this product is going to bring revolution in air cooling industry. We call it as HVAC, HVAC industry. Where we talk about heating, ventilation, air conditioning. There are products, conventional products हैं, आपके आसपास इस रूम में बहुत सारे हैं. इवेपोरेटिव कूलिंग सिस्टम या एयर कूलर जो बहुत सिंपल साइंटिफिक फंडामेंटल पे चलता है कि पानी पैड्स पे आता है एंड एज सून एज द हॉट एयर स्ट्राइक्स दैट पैड there is a certain level of drop in the temperature of the air which is somewhere around 3 to 4 degrees. But people don't want to use it. There are people who are using it, but there are people who say that नहीं, humidity ratio बहुत बढ़ा देता है. In monsoon we can't use them. Water conservation again is going to be it's a big problem that the world is facing. So coolers have this issue that it uses a lot of water. So all this, one side, other side, air conditioners, we all can afford to buy it, many can't. But even if you afford it, आप इसको agree करोगे, घर में ये आवाजें तो आती हैं कि AC बंद करो, बहुत देर से चल रहा है, बिल बहुत आ गया है, आप बहुत AC यूज करते हो, दरवाजे बंद रखो and all that. Apart from energy, it is a highly energy consuming product. You will not believe 3% of global warming is caused by air conditioners alone. And countries, developing countries like India, the rate at which we are consuming air conditioner, buying air conditioner is increasing 4 times, 5 times every year because the buying capacity is increasing. तो AC हम खरीद सकते हैं, यूज करने में हमको हर वक्त बिजली का बिल पीछे रहता है. Similarly, it's a closed circuit cycle. So, whatever you are breathing in and breathing out, it is circulating in the same air. So that is why you remember COVID time, where ACs were asked not to be used. No fresh air. Now, with all this there, we have the outdoors of AC, which is all the time emitting heat, which is again causing to the global warming and heat emission issues. Bringing down to this technology which Pranav invented of simple innovation and value addition to the existing evaporative cooling system and refrigeration cycles used in air conditioners. He installed that RAC cycle inside an evaporative cooling system. We brought down the temperature of the water in the tank. We developed a software with controls the flow and frequency of water so that in monsoon situation where air molecules already have water, we can control the cycle of the water and we do not add extra water in the air. Having all this in place, during COVID times, I'm talking about innovation. So innovation continuous process, it doesn't stop. You don't invent and you forget. So during COVID times, we realized contamination, air contamination. We added UV cycle inside the machine. The UV machine, what it does is it stops the contamination, anything, bacteria, fungal infection, even mosquito issues at the cooler. As soon as we start the cooler, first thing that comes in is mosquito. Right? So we stopped all that contamination in the water, and the impact is we deliver 20-degree temperature difference from India. And so if it is 40-42, we deliver 20-22. The technology does not emit heat in the environment, although using refrigeration cycle. We have reduced the water levels up to by 60-70% as compared to cooler system. All this in place, the first thing that Pranav heard was a big no from my side. I said, you are wasting time, and that is what we are doing to people around us. When they come up with an innovative idea, when they come up with an invention, we say, mat karo, time waste hai. Agree? So that all creates that vibe of not doing new things. You'll be surprised to know 2008 when he invented this and we thought of getting it patented. IPR was something that was not even being answered by Google. I googled IPR attorney and I could not find the answer there. In India, we were far behind even Arabian countries. Countries like Sudan are doing more of inventions and innovation, but we are far behind them. I somehow found an attorney not in Indore. We find POA easily in Indore, but finding attorney was a tough task. Sitting at Mumbai, he questioned us, spent a lot of money, and we got it patented. But even today, although we have exported our products to African countries, although this product is accepted by FIFA World Cup organizers for putting it as fresh air handling unit for beach restaurants, there are people who question on the technology part. There are people in India who question about, is it made in India? I'm not sure about the, authenticity. I'm not sure about how long it will work. And if it comes from a city like Indore, which is not known for technology, it is known for food, it is known for being number one in Swachhata, but not for technology, they don't accept it. We need to understand that we need to accept innovations and technology around us. Being women in technology is again a challenge. I don't know why, but there's a myth that women don't understand technology. And I, coming from a background of education, management, to be very specific, I faced this music a lot, many times. And I believe whenever there's a strong woman ahead, there's a man behind. So it was my co-founder, Pranav ji, who supported me when there were questions asked on my ability of handling the tech. I remember there were dealers in the office and they denied to talk to me and called Pranav saying that, she's sitting here, but I don't think she'll be able to understand the technology and explain it to us. And the answer that they got from Pranav was, you talk to her, she's CMD of my company, she understands technology as much as I do, and if she's not able to answer, you can come back to me. It recently happened. There was a site visit coming up at a particular site, and since he was traveling, I took the decision, I called and I said that, okay, I'm coming for the consultancy. And the answer that I got was, no, I want somebody technique. So, women in tech and the problem, I believe in India, the problem is that we women have always come at the back seat. We have taken the back seat. We were always there for namesake. The businesses were there by the name of women, but the women behind never knew कि business में product क्या है, या balance sheet में figures क्या है, या profit ratios क्या है. So because of all that happening at in the past, we are questioned. So you need to understand, and you will not believe that I took HVAC lessons. I took diploma courses in engineering subject. Being from management, no background, I did that. So there is nothing that can stop you from learning if you really want to excel. So the point here that I want to make is your educational background, your environment cannot decide what innovation or what technology you can bring in. You have to think about it and you have to think out of the box, and you can learn it at any point of stage, and there's nothing that can stop you from bringing an innovation that can actually solve a problem and bring that revolution that I was talking about. But we all have to start thinking about it right now. Otherwise, someone someday will make something and the answers that I hear nowadays is, अरे यार ये thought about it, हमने सोचा था पर हमने बनाया नहीं, and you made it. So you have to start it right now, and you have to appreciate people who are into it, because it needs out of box thinking. It can't be a normal general common man's thing to be done. With this, I expect a lot of innovation, technology coming out from the young minds sitting here and bringing that revolution. The climate action is actually required and it is needed right now. We have to take action right now. Thank you.